Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 without losing data with USB. For installing Windows 10 we need these two: Windows 11 ISO and Refuse. If you don't have these two software, link of these two software is available on the description. You can download these two software. Here we need one USB flash 8 gig or above 8 gig. Plug in your USB flash drive. When you plug in your USB flash drive, double click on Refuse. Refuse will detect your USB flash drive. It is 16 gig USB flash drive. Here click on Select. Find the Windows 10 ISO you download before. It is on desktop for me. Select and open. Now everything is ready, but if you want to change something like volume label, you can change it. I want to write here Windows 10. Leave everything as default. Click on Start. Click on OK. Windows user experience. If you want, you can check all this option. For example, if you use this option, create a local account with username Sora. It means your new Windows will be with this username. If you want, you can check one by one. If you don't want, just click on OK. Here again you have one warning. If you click on OK, you will lose everything on your USB flash drive. Before this, get backup your important file from USB. OK. Creating a USB flash drive is start. It will take a few moments to copy all the image file on the USB. Please wait. It will take a few moments. When it is finished, close it. I want to install Windows 10 in this system. Plug in your USB on the system you want to install Windows 10. Here our USB is ready to install Windows 10. Before this, just remember this. If you have anything on your desktop, copy all desktop files and paste on any drive without C drive. You can copy on D drive or A drive or any drive you have. Just don't copy on drive C. The second thing, remember the drive C storage. Here I have 49.9 gig. Remember this. During the clean installation, we need this drive. In this step, everything is ready. Just restart your system. When you restart your system, press Windows. Both keys depend on your hardware. My system is HP. It is F9 for me. If your system is Dell, it is F12. Start. It is less of both keys for different hardware. If you see this page or something like this, here select USB device or find USB. Hit enter. Here select language and also keyboard input. If you don't want to change, just put as default. Next. Install now. Here enter your product key if you have. If you don't have, don't worry. Select I don't have product key. Here we have different version of Windows 10. Select anyone you want. Here I want to select Windows 10 Pro, or you can select Windows 10 Home. Next. Here I accept the license term. Select. Next. Select the second one, custom install Windows only, advanced. Here is so important. Now find the drive you want to install Windows on that drive. It is drive C. Select it as default, but be careful, don't remove other drive. It was 49.9 gig. It is that drive. I want to remove that. Select your drive, then format. Okay. Look here, it is 31. Now it is 49. It means it is free and it is without any data. Again, select it for new installation, then next. Windows setup. This step will take a few moments. Restart now. Guys, in this step your system will restart several times. Just wait. Here select your country. Yes. In this step select your keyboard layout. I want to select US. Yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout? I don't need. Skip. Here, if you have internet, you can connect on internet. If you don't have, click here, I don't have internet. If you want to get the driver, you can connect the internet. If you don't have, click here, continue with limit step. Enter username. Next. Enter your password. Next. Confirm your password. Next. Here, create a security question for this account. Choose 3 questions and answer. Next. Choose privacy setting for your device. I recommend leave as default, but if you don't want some of this, you can select no, but I want all. Accept. Let's Cortina help you. Accept. Now we successfully install Windows 10. Guys, if you want to install Windows 10 without USB, I have separate video for that, you can find on the description. Don't forget to like this video. Have a good time.